Hey guys, so let's talk about the blocks of the periodic table. So the elements on the periodic table are not just organized in periods and groups. We also categorize them in blocks. Now, what is a block? So the block of the periodic table can be S block, can be P block, can be D block, can be F block. I'm sure we have the hostel called P block, right? Yeah, this is where it came from actually. So only chemists can relate. P block. Okay, so this is F block. Yeah. So now what are these letters? So these letters represent the subshell of an electronic configuration of an element. Let's take for instance lithium. Lithium has got 3 electrons, right? If I were to write the electronic configuration for lithium, it's going to be something like 1s2. I said it as what? I mean, how many? 3. So the other one will be in 2s, right? And they're just going to be 1, right? Now, lithium is ending with this subshell, 2s. This subshell is having s, so it is in the s orbital. I mean, s block. So the block with represents the, should I call it these are called the magnetic quantum numbers, right? I mean angular momentum quantum numbers. Yeah. So when you write that electronic configuration, that last subshell, is it having letter S? Is it having letter P, letter D, letter F? That letter is the block. If when you write, then you see that the last one or the outer one is having P. Just know that this is P block. So these are some of the ways in which you can know. Okay. So the first way, there are 2 ways. The first way is look, on the exam, what they do is this. They'll just ask you that. They'll give you an element and they'll ask you, what's the block of this element? So there are 2 ways of knowing that. The first way is by writing the electronic configuration and then check which one is the outermost subshell. Okay. Let's say for instance, I'll take nitrogen. Nitrogen has got 7 electrons, right? So it's going to be 1s, 2s, 2p, right? 2, 7. So meaning that 3, right? What is the outermost subshell? It is this one. Is it having letter P, letter S, letter what? It is letter P. So this is in P block. Okay, have you seen? This is one of the ways in which you can know. So this one is even much easier. If you already know how to write the electronic configurations, it is much easier. Okay, these are my strategies. I just like, I mean, this one is the strategy that I like to use when I'm revising the past papers and I find this kind of question. I'll just write the electronic configuration, then I'll be like, okay. The other way, so it depends with what will be easy for you. So sometimes if you even have a periodic table nearby, you can check. Let me show you. I have a periodic table here. So what you do is this. Go on the periodic table. So all you need to know is that all the elements in group 1 and 2, all these, one thing that you need to know is that elements in the same group have got similar blocks. So all the elements in this block have got S block. They are called S block elements. Okay. And these that are between here, or the transition metals, whatever you call them, the transition metals, these are called the D block. When you write the electronic configuration, it ends with D. And then these here, they are P blocks, these, starting from here, these. So now, another easy way now, if you even have a periodic table, which is much easier than the previous one, right? Because this one, you just have to look. No need to write anything, no. So that one I was just showing you. If you don't have a periodic table, write the electronic configuration. Now, if you even have a periodic table, just come and search. Let's say I've given you magnesium, just check. It is in group 2. Meaning that it is what? S block. I repeat, 1, 2, S block. Transition metals, D block. These others, these are, no, actually, helium, except helium, yeah. Helium has got S block. So apart from helium, starting from here, group 3, going here, whatever we have is P block. And if you even have a periodic table that is including the elements that are found here, it's just that here they are not included. There are some elements that are found below here. Those are F block. So this is the strategy, guys. So they don't even give tough questions. They will just ask you, is this element P block element. What's the block of the element? In whichever way they want to phrase the question, just know that they are talking about the same thing. Yeah, these are simple steps. And can you imagine, you even felt, and this comes actually, they once asked about this. All these that I'm teaching you, they once asked about this on the exam, but it has been many years. Maybe they might want to repeat the question. Okay, so in case they repeat the question, make sure that you answer like this. And this is under the topic of periodicity. Periodicity is why we look at the periodic table. Yeah, now most of the things you already learned them about the groups. I'm sure by now you know that these are groups, these are periods. Sometimes they can ask you which element is in period 5 at group what, you just know, right? Yes. So I want to talk much about the block. So group 1, 2, it is what? S. 3, except helium. This one is S. Okay. But the rest are P. This one below, between, they are D. These that are found here, just at this periodic table, they are not there. But those are F block. So I hope that you have understood and you have enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and subscribe to our platform where you're going to find full lessons where we simplify chemistry, biology, math and physics, and a lot of more materials to help you learn easily. Have a very nice day. Okay guys, so this is our platform where you access our materials. So you access our video lessons. So just click on videos, then depending with the term, if it is term 2, you choose the course. So we have math, all these topics, the videos are here. In chemistry, all these has been taught. So there are full lessons for thermochemistry, all these lessons, and there is even atomic structure, periodicity, chemical bonding, organic chemistry. All the video lessons are here. All these are the video lessons, even documents. We have solved materials. All the materials are here. Okay, so all you have to do is subscribe and you access all our materials. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe so that you can access our videos and our documents on our platforms.